Okay, part 2. Now we're going to be grouping into threes. Each column can be grouped them into groups of 3. So there's my sum, 36, divided by 3. Okay, so it looks like that written in your books, and it looks like that. That is a picture of that. Can you see the 3 there? And there's the 30 and the 6. Right, we're off. So question 1, can we make a group of 3 10s from 30? And the answer is yes, we can. We can make one group of 3. So if we can make one group of 3, I'm going to put a 1 there. Now when you look at the ones, can we make any groups of 3? Well, I can make 1 there, and I make a second one there. So look, I can make 2. So I'm going to pop that 2 there, and I'm going to put on my picture. That's so the answer to 36 grouped into 3s, you'll get 12. Okay, second question. Bigger number. Some of you are going to be thinking already, I reckon I might be able to do this, so I need to change this one. The 3 doesn't change. There's my bus stop. So in my book I would make it look like that. Right, we're off. No, we're not. We've moved that, so let's put that back. Okay, we're going to do 60 divided by 3. So our first question is, well, hang on a minute. We haven't made the number up properly. Now again, I've made a little mistake there, but all I need to do is correct my mistake. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. I've got 60 in there. Now it doesn't have a unit, so there's 60. So the first question is, can I group 60, or can I make any groups of 3 10s from 60? Well, I think I can. Look, 1, 2, 3. So I can make those into one group of 3, and this one into a second group of 3. So I can make 2 groups there, so that's good. So on my sum I would put a 2. Now I can't make anything in the units, so I put a 0 in there. Because there's nothing there. And the answer is 20. Okay, let's try another one. Just change it slightly. Let's do 63. I'm going to try and group 63 in groups of 3. Right, we're off. First of all, learning from your mistakes, make 63 as a number. So there's 40, 50, and the last one is 60, and a 3. Okay, so question number 1 is, how many groups of 3 10s can I make from 6 10s? There are the 6 10s. Can I make some groups of 3 10s? Well, look at this. 1, 2, 3. There's 1. 1, 2, 3. There's 2. So pop the 2 there, and in your book it would look like that. And then you say to yourself, can I make a group of 3 1s from 3? Yes, I can. I can make one group, so that would be a 1 there. And on my picture of what's going on, you can see that there's 2 groups here and 1 group there. 2 groups and 1 group. The answer is 21. Right, let's go for one more. This time I'm going to go bigger. I'm going to go for 96. I've got my 3. Draw a bus stop. Pop in 96, which is the number I'm going to group. And then I'm going to very carefully make 96. 10, 20, 30. 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Wow. And 6. 96. I've made the picture of the sum. I know what the sum is. I'm ready to go. Right, question number 1. How many groups of 3 tens can I make for... Oh, there we go again. Forgot the answer. Okay. Got to be careful today. Right, let's start again. There's my sum. That's how it's written in your book. There's a picture of the sum. All right, I'm ready to go, and I've taken that away. Okay, question number 1. How many groups of 3 tens can I make from 9 tens? That's my question. So I've got to make groups of 3 tens from this group of 10s. So look, 1, 2, 3. There's one set of 3 tens. 1, 2, 3. There's 2 sets of 3 tens. And look at this. 1, 2, 3 sets of 3 tens. Wow. So I can make 3, and you can see the 3 groups of 3 tens. And then I'm going to see about the ones. Can I make groups of 3s? Well, look, if I move the 6 apart, you can see there's a group of 3 there and a group of 3 there. If you didn't see that, look at that. There's a group of 3. There's a group of 3. So I can make 2 groups of 3. So let's put the 2 on my picture of the sum. And the answer to that, 96 grouped into groups of 3. You'll have 3 groups of 3 tens and 2 groups of 3 ones. So the answer is 32.